But if you know that wasn't the devil you doing over there.
Cause this a private park and I'm looking for my stuff.
Your stuff? You ain't got no stuff over there.
Not my stuff, stupid. My snuff.
Oh, your stuff.
Yeah, listen.
Oh.
I think
Well, hell, that ain't over there either.
look, I think I left it over here last night, child.
Last night? What the devil you were doing over there last night?
What's the matter with you? You act like you don't want nobody over here.
No, I don't.
Like you own something. Like you done bought something. Did you buy this spot?
No, but...
No, well then I guess you won't mind if I sit on down there.
No, please don't do that. Don't do that.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Why you do that? What the devil you do that for? You done messed up now.
You gonna stand over there?
Yeah, you done messed up
You
now.
gonna stay on there all night? Come on over here and sit on down there.
Ain't
Sit
even
right
enough
down there.
room.
Sit right here, sit there, sugar.
Don't you hate it when somebody sit in your spot?
Oh, my
You doing over here?
Come on, sit on down there. Sit right here.
Some
Sit right
low
here.
down dirty
you got
shame.
all this space right here. Right here, right here. Come on. Sit on down over here. Right here. Right here. Come on.
Excuse me, ma'am. You got any spare change on?
Here. Come on here. Come on over here. Right here. Come on.
Some smell like pickles.
Come on.
Smell like pickles.
Sit down here. Right here. Hold this right
What?
here.
Lord, that's you.
What's the matter with you?
What do you mean, what's wrong with me? What's wrong with you?
What you got your face scrunched all up there like that?
It's a condition.
What kind of condition?
It only happened under certain conditions.
Well, is there something I can do to help you?
Yeah, that's something you can do.
Oh, well, then sit on down there. Come on here.
Look
I'll
here,
help you out
right
there.
here.
That's a washcloth.
I know it's a washcloth.
I don't use nobody's washcloth.
You need to use somebody's washcloth today. So low down dirty shame. Smelling like that. What's wrong with you?
I can't believe you.
I don't know why I ain't never lied to you before.
You ain't never spoke to me before.
And now you know why.